how to make a custom WhatsApp tone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a custom WhatsApp tone. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Here, tap on these three dots from the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings. From here, go to Notifications. Tap on Notification Tones. Now scroll down and tap on Add Notification. It will allow you to upload a custom tone from your device. So upload the tone that you want to have and select it as your ringtone. Then tap on OK to save the changes. That's how you can make a custom WhatsApp tone. Also check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.